everyone, welcome to my channel Sichinga Online Math. In this video I want us to look at three questions. Question 1, simplify a minus 12 over a squared minus 144. Then question 2, express 5 over 1 minus x minus 3 over x minus 2 as a single fraction in its lowest terms. Then question 3, solve the equation 3x to the power 3 equal to 81. So follow through as I work out these three questions. So starting with question 1. For question 1, simplify a minus 12 over a squared minus 144. So for this part, we focus on the denominator here. On the denominator, we've got a difference of two squares. This is because a squared minus 144. 144 can be expressed as a 12 squared. So let's start with that. So for question 1, a minus 12 over a squared minus. So 144 can be written as a 12 squared. So we're going to write 12 squared here. Now when we have a squared minus 12 squared, this can be written as, if you have this form, a squared minus b squared. This is the same as a plus b, a minus b. So this here is the concept on difference of two squared. So if you've got a squared minus b squared, this is the same as a plus b, a minus b. So we are going to write this in this form. So this is equal to a minus 12 over. So for a squared minus 12 squared, we're going to write it as a plus 12 in brackets, then a minus 12 in brackets. And we can now simplify here. A minus 12 can go into a minus 12. So a minus 12 into a minus 12, this is just 1 here. And then a minus 12 into a minus 12, this is also 1. So then on the numerator we have 1, and on the denominator a plus 12 times 1, this is just a plus 12. And that is our answer on the first question, 1 over a plus 12. We now go to the second question, express 5 over 1 minus x minus 3 over x minus 2 as a single fraction in its lowest terms. So for question 2, first of all, 1 minus x minus 2. These two can multiply to give us the common denominator. So we're going to solve this one the same way we solve fractions. Okay, we get the common denominator for the denominators that we have. So then I'm going to show this as, first of all, we write the following. So 1 minus x is going to multiply with the x minus 2. So we're not going to do the multiplication, but we're just going to show that these are multiplying like that. And then we are going to divide these denominators into the common denominators and then multiply with the numerators. So 1 minus x into 1 minus x, x minus 2. So 1 minus x simplifies with 1 minus x, leaving us with x minus 2, which will multiply with 5. So this is 5, open bracket, x minus 2, close. Then the operation is minus. So then x minus 2 into x minus 1, x minus 2. So this x minus 2 simplifies with the x minus 2, leaving us with 1 minus x. So this 1 minus x will multiply with 3. So 3, open bracket, 1 minus x. So then let's see, multiply what we have on top. 5 times x, this gives 5x, then 5 times negative 2, this gives negative 10, then negative 3 times positive 1, this here gives negative 3. Negative times negative, that is positive 3 times x gives 3x. x. So that's what we have on top, over 1 minus x in brackets x minus 2. So then we collect like terms. Collecting like terms, 5x and 3x, then negative 10 minus 3. Okay, so now working out what we have on top, 5x plus 3x, this basically gives us 8x. Then negative 10 minus 3, this is addition in negative, which will just give us negative 13. So then here below we're going to have 1 minus x, x minus 2, close. So this here is the answer. This is the single fraction that we're looking for, and it is in its lowest terms. So the answer is 8x minus 13 over 1 minus x multiplying with the x minus 2. So that is our answer for question 2. Going to question 3. Question 3, solve the equation 3x to the power 3 equal to 81. How do we get the value of x? So first of all, we are going to divide by 3, since the coefficient of x to the power 3 here is 3. So dividing by 3, both sides, 3 into 3 simplifies to 1. 1 times x to the power 3, this just gives x to the power 3 equal to 3 into 81. 3 into 81 gives us 27. Okay, so now x to the power 3 is equal to 27. We want the value of x. What do we do? Here there's power 3 on x. So we introduce the inverse of power 3, which is just basically the cube root. Okay, so the inverse of cube is cube root. So both sides, cube root. So then what does this mean for the left part? For the left part, what we're going to have is this and this, they are going to simplify. So cube root and the cube are going to simplify, leaving us with the x. Then this is equal to, on the right side, the cube root of 27. This means we're looking for a number that multiplies 3 times to give us 27. And that's just basically 3, because 3, when you show it like this, 3 times 3 times 3, this gives 27. So this number is multiplying to give 27. So this is what we're looking for, okay, cube root. So x equal to 3 is the answer on this part. So basically, first of all, we did division. When we divide by 3, it means we're remaining with x to the power 3. And this is equal to 3 into 81, 27. And then we apply cube root, since we have a cube on x. To find x, we apply cube root. Cube rooting both sides, the cube root and the cube will simplify, leaving us with x. And then on the right side, cube root of 27, this is just a number that multiplies 3 times to give 27. And I've shown here, this is just 3 times 3 times 3, and x is equal to 3. So this here is the solution for question 3. Alright, so thank you so much for following through as I was working out these 3 questions.